Welcome to Cunnekt. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to onboard your existing WhatsApp business app number using the coexistence method. What that means practically is you get to keep using your WhatsApp business app as usual, while also connecting it to the WhatsApp Business API. On the same number, no switching required. Let's get started. Log into your Cunnekt account to start onboarding. Simply click on Add Channel Plus button. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose your onboarding method. You will see two options: Standard API onboarding and Coexistence with Business app. We have already covered Standard API onboarding in a previous video. You can find the link in the description. In this video, we will walk you through the Coexistence with Business app method. Click on Coexistence with WhatsApp Business app. On the next screen, Cunnekt gives you a quick overview. With Coexistence, your messages will work in sync between Cunnekt and your WhatsApp Business app. Before we begin, make sure you have three things ready. First, a Facebook account. Second, an active website. And third, a phone number that has been active on the WhatsApp Business app for at least 30 days. When you're ready, click Login with Facebook to begin. Enter your valid Facebook username and password, then log in. Once you're logged in, the next screen appears, explaining what you're about to do. Connect your business account to Cunnekt by Brainpulse Technologies. Click Continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose your business portfolio. If you already have a business portfolio, simply select it from the list. If not, select Create a Business Portfolio to set up a new one. Now, under the WhatsApp Business Account section, click the drop-down. Since we're doing coexistence, select Connect a WhatsApp Business app. Now click on Next. This will open a form where you are asked to enter your business details to create a new business portfolio. Fill in your business name, your email address, select your country from the drop-down, and finally, add your business website URL. Now click on Next. You'll now be asked to enter your WhatsApp business phone number. This number should be registered on the WhatsApp Business app. Here, select the country code from the drop-down. Then, enter your WhatsApp business number. Once entered correctly, a green checkmark will show confirming that the number is valid. Click Next to continue. The next screen walks you through what sharing access means. Cunnekt will have access to your account info, contacts, and chats. Now click Next. A new screen with a QR code appears on your desktop, and simultaneously, a message arrives on your WhatsApp business number with a Connect button. Tap that Connect button received on your WhatsApp Business app. It opens a scanner directly on your phone. Now simply point the scanner at the QR code on your screen and scan it. The moment it is scanned successfully, the next button activates automatically. Here, confirm your WhatsApp business account details. Your name and time zone, GMT plus 5:30 Asia/Kolkata, should already be pre-filled. Everything looks good? Click Next. Before finalizing, Meta shows a summary of what Cunnekt can access: managing accounts, accessing conversations, and logging events. Review everything and click Confirm when ready. Your account is now being connected. This may take a few moments. Just sit tight and don't close the window. Let the process complete on its own. And there it is, success. You'll see the confirmation. Your account is connected to Cunnekt by Brainpulse Technologies. You can optionally add a payment method now, or simply click Finish to wrap up. You're back on Cunnekt, and the platform is now setting up your API account in the background. You'll see the message. This may take a few seconds. Do not close this page, just wait. It's fully automatic. Once setup is complete, your new channel appears on the dashboard. The green dot confirms it's active and ready. Your dashboard now shows all your connected channels, including your brand new coexistence number. You're all set to start receiving messages, building automations, and managing your team, all from one place. And that's a wrap. You've successfully onboarded your WhatsApp business app number to Cunnekt using coexistence. If you run into any issues, Cunnekt's support team is always ready to help. Like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy messaging with Cunnekt.